You'll start getting chills. Look at that high chair. Where do you have to get that high chair?
Some of, I don't know. She got it for the baby shower. I don't know if some of the family got it for her. What you doing, Precious?
Yeah, we're trying to grab it. Hang on,
Here comes Mommy with the cake. You're gonna get a whole cake.
Mommy. Here comes Mommy.
All right.
Hang on.
Here comes Mommy with the cake.
Oh,
Got one for you.
here it comes.
Here we go. Wow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chloe. Happy birthday to you. Yay! All right. Look at
Lily.
Please take the cameras off. Maybe we get them for the YouTube.
Dig in.
There we go. Wow. How can we think? Uh-oh.
That's okay. That's okay. We don't want to eat it like that.
Get in there.
Is that good? Is that good? Is it good?
Somebody gonna give me a
Take care of it.
You want around here, Dom?
I'm
trying, I don't want enough picture.
Get your hands full. There you go. Get a handful.
Let me see if I can get a bite. I rarely have my picture taken.
There you go. There you go. That'll work. That'll work. That'll work.
You're a ham. You're a ham.
That'll work. Get some more. Get another bite.
Good.
Get a big bite.
Your mommy had to get a white cake.
Get a big bite. Get a big bite.
I don't know. You're being dainty. I'm just being too neat.
You never know. She could have dug into it with both hands and had it all over.
I think it's like Ronnie feeds her scrambled eggs of a morning.
Is it good?
The crap out of them on her tray.
Is it good?
Is it good?
Get a big bite.
You keep thinking about it.
Yeah, you're thinking about picking it up.
Daddy help you pick it up there. Around there, Mom. See her. She says, oh my goodness. Ooh.
There you go. Yay. There's a big bite.
Oh, my. You don't get to do that every day of the week, do you? Mommy's got a mess now.
Mommy, too much.
Yes, I like that stuff. I think it'll do.
Oh, he'll be around here so you can see.
Say it feels good and it tastes good. Yeah.
Is it good?
Yummy.
Yeah.
It is.
Is that good? Is that good?
JP knows how to make him cakes, don't they? There's nice.
Yeah. Getting as much on the outside as you're getting on the inside now.
Oh my goodness.
Big washcloths for that. Is it good? end up getting it rubbed in her hair and everything else.
Pretty cute, really.
Yes, she does.
She's got it on both arms.
There. Oh, I thought you were gonna pick the whole thing up.
I think she was thinking about
Yep.
it.
She was, and then she got a bunch of it on her fingers, so she decided she would do that.
There's a handful. Good? They good? They good?
Maybe this will wake her up, give her a sugar rush, so she don't put all them presents over there.
Yeah, she's gonna need it. She's about to go to sleep all
Yeah,
day.
there's a lot of things over there.
Is that good?
She thinks she's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yes.
Big bite.
That's pretty handy like that. It's funny.
Yeah.
Come on, Is it good?
There's a big piece.
Give your daddy a bite. I'll give you a bite.
Pretty good stuff, isn't it? She got clear to her elbows.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Clear up to them elbows, that makes it good, doesn't it? It does. It does.
I hope it stays down. You can
There
get enough to
we go.
stick.
Oh, she won't. Look at her little finger, she sticks them in there and comes over this cover. Really? Is it good? Good.
Is it good?
Mmm. Mmm. What you doing there, big bug, huh?
Good stuff.
I believe I got something stuck on me. Oh,
Is that messy? Huh?
this is fun.
Is that messy? Is it
I'm
messy?
getting it all over my hands, face, no one's wiping it off.
Yeah.
Nobody's yelling at me. Yeah. Nobody's yelling at me or anything. It's really neat.